Suzuki is literally on a charge. Not only has it electrified its entire range, but it's also expanded it, albeit with more than a little help from its technical collaborator Toyota. In this, the second model of that partnership, the curiously named Swace borrows the design of the familiar, respected Toyota Corolla Sports Tourer estate to give the Suzuki brand an entrant into the important C-segment compact estate sector. Is it convincing enough, however, to win Suzuki some new friends?
The Swace combines a 1.8-litre 102 brake horsepower engine with a 53 kilowatt electric motor and delivers drive through a CVT gearbox. Whilst not scintillating, performance is acceptable with a rest of 62 mile/hour time of 11.1 seconds, while the top speed is pegged at 111 miles an hour. Combined, the engine and electric motor offer a relatively seamless driving experience where 3 driving modes can be selected: normal, eco or sport. The driver can also select a fully electric EV mode for those times when completely silent or emissions-free running is preferred, such as for inner-city work or even early morning starts. In this mode, the car has the potential to cover a mile or so on pure battery power. EV mode can be used for driving short distances without having to worry about noise or emissions, especially in congested areas early in the morning and late at night, or in garages and indoor parking lots. Combining both engine and electricity, however, can still reap the environmental rewards depending on what you select. Normal mode will give the driver the optimal balance between fuel economy and performance, whereas eco will enhance the fuel economy through throttle response and even go as far as limiting the air conditioning. Sport will provide a quicker throttle response to emphasize acceleration when needed. Much like the Across SUV, the Swace almost exactly mirrors its Toyota cousin in design, save for a unique front face with LED headlamps and a prominent Suzuki badge. Even the hybrid badges on the front wings are Toyota stock items. Unlike its Corolla cousin, the Swace is only available as an estate. Like that donor model, it's quite a sharp-looking car and a far cry from Suzuki's turn-of-the-century Baleno estate, the brand's last offering in this class. Moving inside, the Swace once again offers few differences over its Corolla cousin, though you get Suzuki branding on both the instrument screen and the center screen at startup. Helping with the overall feeling of sophistication is the view you get through the 3-spoke leather-stitched wheel, that of a smart instrument binnacle presented with a combination of digital and analog design. Anything it can't tell you will probably be covered off by this 8-inch center dash display that deals with the usual DAB audio, Bluetooth and online connectivity options. The rear bench is a little tight by class standards, both in terms of leg and headroom, restrictions rather emphasised by the way the curved roof lining slopes down ahead and to the side of you. Out back, there's a class competitive 596-litre boot. The luggage compartment can be easily expanded into a fully flat space by using these sidewall catches to fold down the second row seats, which creates a total loading space of up to 1,606 litres. The hybrid system fitted to the Swace gives reasonably impressive fuel economy and running costs without the need for plugging in. The combined fuel economy figure is up to 64.2 miles to the gallon on the combined cycle according to WLTP figures, with emissions of just 99 grams per kilometre. That's assuming you activate the provided Eco Drive mode, which helps the driver accelerate in an eco-friendly manner and enhances fuel economy through more gradual throttle response and minimal air conditioning use. It might seem odd that Suzuki, often previously such an innovative manufacturer, would merely rebadge a Toyota to widen its electrified model offering. This technology, though, demands years of experience and huge investment. Should Suzuki have made its customers wait for full hybrid tech, then charge them richly for it? Or should it, as here, use proven tech from an established partner, allowing them to bring this engineering quickly to market at a relatively affordable price? You can see why the second approach makes more sense, and this Swace model fully embraces it. For the money that you'd spend to get mild hybrid tech that makes hardly any difference to running costs on comparable estate versions of the Golf, the Focus, the Leon and the Octavia, here you get a full hybrid powertrain that can, in contrast, run at times exclusively on full electric power, so offering significantly lower running costs. If that makes sense to you, this car might too.